Hi, welcome to the garden. We're definitely on the roller coaster ride of covering and uncovering. Cold nights, warm days, 2 weeks before the shortest day of the year. I'm very excited. Well, Christmas is coming also. Let's go ahead and open these up and see how everything did. Looks like our kale and our onions, which are the champion of the cold weather, made it through just fine. Our bok choy is doing well. The only reason we covered the bok choy is I want to keep these flowers going for the pollinators. This Swiss chard probably didn't need to be covered. I think this lettuce definitely needed to be covered. You know, by doing this, we'll be able to have fresh lettuce for Christmas. Let's see how the newest member of our cold frame system worked out. Ooh, I can feel the heat off of that. The cabbages, the carrots, the spinach, the beets, the cilantro, they all did great. Our beets are coming along really well. And there you go. There's a lot of things out here I probably don't really need to cover till it gets down into the low 20s, but you just never know. When it freezes, it freezes. And I'd hate to lose stuff because I didn't come out here and pull a little plastic. It only takes a few minutes. After all, we are in the season of covering and uncovering, and it's well worth it to be able to eat fresh greens out of the garden with your Christmas dinner. At least I think so. You can do this too. It doesn't take very much. We got 10 days before the shortest day of the year, and I intend to start planting then. If you'd like to see what we planted last December, click that link right there and I'll meet you right back in the garden. Until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.